Hello and welcome. If you're a loan officer looking to increase your conversions, you'll want to check out this video. Here are 7 tips to stay in front of your borrowers, realtor partners, and increase your conversions. Whether it be past clients, realtors, real estate agents, or someone looking you up online for the first time, the golden rule of social media is you must educate, entertain, and inspire your audience. In order to achieve that, here are a few simple things you'll need to do first. Tip number 1. If you research your competitors who are successful with their social media marketing, you'll likely notice they post creative and, most importantly, consistent content to stand out from the crowd. Tip number 2. Create accounts on all social channels and learn which channels has the highest conversion rates. You'll be able to determine this and with the type of engagement you receive with likes, follows, comments, shares, messages. Either way, the idea is to be where your audience is and have a wide footprint online to cover all your bases. Tip number 3. The great thing about the industry when it comes to social media marketing is that almost everyone wants a home. If they already have a home, then a good portion of them may be interested in refinancing. If an agent you have already connected with is looking for a loan officer, you'll be fresh on their mind because they consistently see your post. Loan officers typically suggest getting in front of as many realtors as you can for potential leads, but you also want to stay in front of as many potential borrowers as you can. Tip number 4. Again, the key is to create creative and engaging content. In addition to that, don't forget you're selling yourself just as much as the service you're offering. So making sure to brand your content to yourself will keep the focus on you, create trust, and help you stay top of mind when someone is ready to act. Tip number 5. Other than being a good loan officer, everything will ultimately come down to timing. Social media and email marketing allow you to be there at the right moment. If you go for long periods of time without posting content, either the borrowers or agents will go with someone else and you risk missing opportunities for business. The same goes for contacting them through like email or phone or texting. If you're looking for an easy way to stay in front of your agents and borrowers, you can do so by suggesting they follow you on your business social media pages and post consistently. I mean, you could have them follow you on your personal one, but may not be work appropriate. But yeah, like I said, post consistently. It takes a lot of time to do consistently, but that's the trick and also the hardest part. If you are looking for a way to automate your social media marketing, you'll want to check out LOSocialbot.com. They have a free 10-day trial. No credit card is required. Set the schedule once and let LO Socialbot take care of the heavy lifting for you. Another way you can stay in front of your agents and borrowers with branded emails daily and weekly is with RateAlert. RateAlert has an amazing marketing platform that allows you to produce branded realtor and consumer email marketing that includes mortgage and real estate news that is automatically emailed to your agents as well as your current and past clients. Co-brand these emails with realtors and form strong agent relationships and increase referral opportunities. With RateAlert's realtor and consumer email marketing, you will be relevant and be remembered. Like I said, stay in front of them consistently. RateAlert also will help you become more knowledgeable and have better conversations, know exactly what to say to consumers and realtors every business day, lock and float with confidence, understand what affects some rates and why, know when to lock in rates, save deals, and ultimately close more loans. You can try out RateAlert for 30 days and see how it helps you with your business. Tip number 6. When people meet or speak to you for the first time, there's a good chance they're going to look you up online. With Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., people will follow you if your content is interesting, plus it helps build your credibility. Also, they know that you're alive and in the business, which is the most important part. People will stalk you and look you up online, and last time you posted something was 3-4 years ago. Doesn't really create too many opportunities for trust, but if you're posting content that engenders credibility, your followers will recommend you to their friends and family too if you do this well enough. And for our last tip, tip number 7, content. You might not think mortgage lending is interesting, but it is. Don't just focus on new clients getting mortgages or existing clients refinancing. Look at this from a client's perspective and you will have a whole new world of content, interesting topics. For example, selecting a broker, preparing for your application, types of mortgages, which repayment structure type helps you own a home faster, first-time home buyer tips, and more. If you post a wide variety of content associated with mortgage and lending, you get to show your audience the mortgage expert you are and that you understand the borrower and their needs. So also, if you want to check out LO Socialbot, like I mentioned before, they have a content library that's jam-packed full of content that you can pull from and you can brand it with yourself. All right, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As I mentioned before, LO Socialbot and RateAlert are great tools that can assist you with some of the things I covered today. There are trials available if you want to test them out for yourself. Also include a promo code here you can use to take 20% off, DR20, that you can use to save 20% off forever once you decide to become a full member. And lending, it is important to treat people as well as you can. Do what you say you're going to do and avoid promising what you can't deliver. Maintain communication and be as helpful as you can. These qualities, like the tips I mentioned today, will help you be a trusted lender in the eyes of borrowers and real estate agents in your network, which will help you have continued success as a loan officer and increase your loan volume over time. Thank you for joining us today. Like, comment, and subscribe for future content.